How to link a bank account on Cashapp. While linking a debit card is great for instant transfers, connecting your actual bank checking account is essential if you want to move large amounts of money, set up direct deposits, or use standard free cash outs. So I'll show you the exact secure way to link your bank accounts. So just launch your Cashapp on your phone and start from the main green payment pad. I'll look up at the absolute top right corner of your display and choose Profile, which is this one right here. After that, scroll down through the primary options list until you find a tab labeled Linked Banks or Linked Accounts, as shown here, and give it a firm tap. Then right underneath your active debit card slot, you will see an option that says Link Bank. As you can see, in our case it's Link Debit Card, but you just choose the bank. That option needs to be clicked to initialize the secure digital handshake. Cashapp handles bank connections using a highly encrypted industry standard gateway called PLAID. When the PLAID notification pops open, tap Continue to view the main institutional directory menu. Select your specific bank like Chase, Bank of America or Wells Fargo from the list, or type your bank's name into the field. A secure login window will appear. Simply enter your online banking username and password, pass any multi-factor authentication. Then the window will close and your account will sync instantly. Enjoy the guide. If this was helpful, guys, as always, make sure to like and subscribe.